What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna bring you part 2 of my ICO pick. Now, this one I think will be my best ICO pick for this year so far. I know it's this year just started, and it's still January, but so far I think this will be the best ICO I've ever researched of all. And this is called Live EDU, and it's gonna start the ICO in 2 days. So basically, this platform is to integrate content providers, especially educators, with people in need of educational content like students, schools, libraries, uh, researchers, and all those people in the educational field. And this platform, um, you know, you might say it's the concept is not new because we have LinkedIn, Linda before, and you know everybody said, you know, is this the same thing? But I'm gonna explain to you guys why this is not the same as LinkedIn, Linda, and why it is better than uh, any other platforms currently out there. So let's get started. We can see the token is gonna be sell at 10 cents. So this is a pretty cheap price compared to all the other ICOs. Because nowadays, all the other greedy ICOs, they raise the ICO token price to 50 cents, a dollar, even more than a dollar. But this price is priced at 10 cents, which I think is fair enough. And let's see, here's a brief interview with the founders. You guys can look into it. And there's a chart that basically explains what their business model is and how they build up a system. We can see there are different parts in the system, and in the center there's content creators. Most likely will be teachers and those teaching professionals in the educational system. We have moderators, and those are all backend developers. Yeah, those are all backend people, and there's the learners. So basically, it connects content creators with the learners, and the learners can be from school, library, and online educational companies, colleges, businesses. So they're trying to integrate the traditional teaching and learning system into the blockchain. And we can see they offer the solution here, a decentralized peer-to-peer project learning network for teaching people how to build complete products. So they have their content of everything. Their programming design, VR, AR, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity. Mostly, as you can see, are tech-related topics, but there are all kinds of topics, and you guys can definitely check it out. Here it says the platform has been existing since 2015, and now they are offering their coins. So basically, this is a coin that built on a platform that already exists. So that makes the whole process much safer and much more reliable. Here's the ecosystem, and the EDO tokens are being used to to reward the creators and developers and those backend workers, and being spent by the students and anyone that demands the content. Here are some people that's already been streaming and providing their own content on live video. Here's a roadmap. And this part, they offers their unique perspective on why live edu has a leg up than all the other platforms. We can see here they have live interactivity, which none of the others have, complete products, decentralized peer-to-peer, and most importantly, I think, is the content creation cost. Look how low the content creation cost is on this platform because the use of blockchain, and what the other platforms costs. This is like 100x the difference. So if they can reduce the creation cost by that much, imagine how much advantages they will have over the other platforms. Also, they have a much faster content creation speed. Also offered in multiple languages. So this is a global platform, not only restrained to whatever geographic area it is. And I believe they have people translating the content. Here's the team. The team and the descriptions are kind of generic, to be honest. And yeah, I believe the team is a little weak compared to their other stuff. They say they're entrepreneurs and developers, yeah, some related work experiences, and that's it. There are some advisors as well. So yeah, you can look into their LinkedIn profile. So yeah, there's advisors at BitIndia. So yeah, I think the profile doesn't really offer much insight. But if you look into LinkedIn, you might get a closer perspective. But this is just my own opinion. So yeah, they have been also partner up with Microsoft and also Bancor. Bancor is another Asian coin, and it's being utilized and developed in as a platform that's being developed by other projects. And yeah. So overall, I think it's a great platform, and you can see the whole page is very clear and fully functional and fully developed. I mean, it's more than just look great. It also explains everything. There's the white paper if you guys want to look into it. How to buy EDU tokens. You will need a MyEther wallet and using Ethereum as the base currency. We can also log into the platform and see what's inside. So they already mapped out the entire billing details. Here's the topics: programming, game development, data science, design, artificial intelligence, cryptocurrency, VR. And here's the memberships they've been charging. $9.99 a month, $14.99 a month, $19.99 a month. So of course different levels have different features, and the more it costs, the more features you will get. So this is very clear. Let's see. They already have all their content laid up here. JavaScript. Mostly technical stuff, just like I said before. And the content is very, very broad. MongoDB and Salesforce. Oh, they got everything here. What else they got? Let's see, artificial intelligence. This section has much less content, to be honest. Machine learning, self-driving car. Oh, even less content. Right. So yeah, overall, I believe it's a great platform, and it has huge potential into the future, because everybody knows that the future of education is gonna move online, and the traditional educational system, like the school system and face-to-face educational system, is gonna gradually fall out of race, and more convenient and efficient education system is gonna be built up, and everything that can be moved online will be online. So as if now we can already see schools are moving their programs, undergrad programs, or even grad programs online. You can get a degree online from some of the schools already, and more schools are developing online MBA or online degrees for their students. You don't even need to go to school for even once to get a degree. So this is the future of the education, and I believe what they are doing here is trying to further integrate that, and also capitalize on that. So I believe it's a great concept, great idea, and it's gonna have a great potential in the future. Some of the drawbacks is that the development team is a little weak, and also the lack of content. Most of contents are in programming, as we just saw, and not much new content here. So what they need to do is really to add more content to their website, and this is it. Overall, it's a great project, and me personally will be heavily invest into this one, because yeah, I've been watching this closely for quite some time now, and yeah, I believe it's gonna be a great hit. Again, I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. I'm just doing my honest review and giving you guys as much information as possible. So yeah, definitely check it out if you're interested. So that concludes this video. Thanks again for watching. If you liked the video, give the thumbs up. Also smash that subscribe button if you haven't done so. Turn on the notification bell as well. Yeah, leaving your feedback in the comment section. I'll make sure I read all of them. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.